In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up documents in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to trigger a document's backup so you have a safe copy of the files attached to your transactions, things like invoice PDFs, bills, and receipts. This is especially useful for audits, compliance, or simply keeping an extra layer of protection for your records. Start by opening your browser and heading to books.zoho.com. That takes you into Zoho Books for your organization. If you work across multiple organizations, quickly confirm you're in the right one before proceeding. You'll also want to ensure you have the necessary permissions, typically an admin role, to initiate a backup. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, check with your account owner or administrator. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon, the small cog that opens settings. This is your control center for configuration, data tools, and account options. Inside settings, select data management. This is where Zoho centralizes import, export, and backup utilities, so it's the logical place for anything related to safeguarding your information. On the data management page, click Backup Document. This option focuses on attached documents, the actual files associated with your records, rather than just raw data. Think of it as the companion to a data export. Data captures the fields and numbers, while this captures the supporting files that tell the full story of your books. Next, click Backup Documents to start the process. Zoho Books will begin preparing an archive in the background. The time this takes depends on how many attachments you have and their size. It's perfectly normal for larger accounts to take longer. Keep a stable internet connection and avoid closing your browser tab until you see confirmation that the request has been accepted. When prompted, click Continue to confirm. This is your final checkpoint before the system queues the backup. After you confirm, you'll see the status update on screen. From here, you can carry on with your work. The backup will complete in the background. If you're managing a lot of historical documents, consider starting the backup during a quieter part of your day so it doesn't compete with other heavy tasks. And that's all it takes. You've initiated a documents backup in Zoho Books in just a few clicks. Gear icon, data management, backup document, then backup documents, and continue. Regular backups are a smart habit for peace of mind. Once your archive is ready, store it securely according to your organization's policy and note the date for your records. If the interface ever looks a little different due to updates, the path remains the same. Thanks for watching and happy safeguarding.